Hi everyone, once again I'm back to the channel. Today I'm gonna explore Silver Jubilee in my village. So let's carry on a bit videos. I'm going to explore right now. So let's get started, guys. Finally, guys, I'm here. This is the decoration church. So I'm gonna show you how was it inside. This is the church. This is the seat. The chair is right over here. This is the hall. Right now it's not there people. It's morning right now.
And right now we are started rally for Silver Jubilee in a village. Yeah.
Sini pernah goyang ha. Warung white kamu tabok. Chat dulu. Finally, this half of the way. Now we are going to church to open up our stones foundations. We're gonna unbox right now. Yeah, keep on watching, guys. Don't skip the video. Finally, we have reached half of the way. And this is cameraman right over here. They are taking us camera. And from there is church will be reached right now. This is the ponds and this is ferry. And we met. This is our church. Have a look, guys. And we gonna unboxing the stone foundation right now.
Yang bisa habis. Jatuh bisa habis. Kita sama dulu. Sama nih, Pak.
So right now we are gathered here for unboxing stools foundation. We are going to begin the program right now.